In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can bookmark your designs in Canva. So if you want to add your favorite designs on a bookmark list, it is pretty much simple to do it in Canva. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. All right. Now to bookmark your designs, just hover to the designs you want to add to your bookmark list. And then once you hover there, you'll see this star option. If you go ahead and tap on it, you'll see it has been bookmarked or it has been starred. Go ahead and bookmark all the other creations or designs that you wish to add to bookmark list. Now to see all your bookmarked designs, just head over here on top here and you'll see this option called your starred. If you tap on it, you'll be able to see a list of all the bookmarked creations or designs that you have on Canva. So that's how you find your bookmarked or starred designs in Canva. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.